Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create this bridal flower hairstyle with mixed braid. For this hairstyle I use Abigail human hair extensions from Uniwigs. Uniwigs is selling different kind of hair products like wigs and hair extensions. You can get 15% off from your purchase when you're using code SUBI. I begin the hairstyle by creating the twists. So I take some hair from back of my head, put them together, tie with the elastic, then I separate the hair in two and flip the end of the hair through, pancake the edges to get more volume, then I grab some hair from the both sides of the first twist. Again, I tie them together using the elastic like before. Then I flip and pancake the edges. Keep on repeating. Take some hair, tie them together, then flip through and pancake the edges. At this point, I take the first section off. This is for the flower braid I will create later. Then I continue creating the mixed braid and twists. Take some hair, tie the strands together, flip, and pancake. Yet I leave the strand out for the another flower braid. Continue in this way. Now I will create the first flower braid. Separate the hair in 3 strands and braid regular 3-strand braid. Once you braid it for a while, pancake the another side of the braid. So as you can see, I braid a little bit, then pancake, braid a little bit and pancake. The pancake side will be the petals of the flower, and soon you will see how to spin the braid for the shape of the flower. Take the braid and first create the small circle. Then you need to secure the circle with bobby pin. Make sure that the circle is secured also to the base of the braid. Then just spin the rest of the braid around the first circle, secure with bobby pins. And here you can see the first flower. Then just continue creating the braid in this way. Leave the strands for the flower braid once at the while, and then create the mixed braid to the base and create the flower braids afterwards when you have created the base on that spot where you want the flower to be. In this way, you're able to secure the flower shape to somewhere. In this way, you can make sure that the flowers will stay on its place, but also make sure that they will last in use. Here you can see again how the flower shape is created. You need 3 strands, then just braid regular braid and pancake the another side of the braid. When you spin the flower, make sure that the pancake side is upwards. First, create the small circle and secure that with bobby pin. Make sure to secure the shape also to the braid. Then just spin the rest of the braid around the first circle, and you can get the flower shape in this way. To the end of the braid, I will create the regular fishtail braid. At this point, there's not much hair anymore, so the creating twist is pretty slow and it won't look as good as on the beginning. So in this way, I can get the similar result, but faster and easier without wasting the elastics. Once you reach it desired length, secure the braid and pancake the edges of the fishtail braid. As you can see, the texture is pretty similar as before. And here you can see the final result of this hairstyle. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Have a great day and happy braiding!